guys, this is the cake. Cake with no celebration.
Kasi na, Purag si Miloya naman yung mga kung ano eh. Kung saan nag-ihaw ninyo ba?
Kikik.
Kikik?
Kikik.
Hala ba, lamia ba ng kika eh?
Okay, iyang birthday.
Thank you, Daddy Claire.
Nay, grabe sa kiko.
Ayaw kinang birthday kay babae na naulit.
No birthday.
Among...
Get that away from me.
Among madam.
Wow!
It's a little, small.
Wow.
But we don't need a real big one.
Yeah.
So I like this kind of tea.
Wow, cake.
Murag si Miloya
Keep the
magundaan.
box for their half.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this half is go to Sibulan.
Thank you, Miss Flor. Thank you, Sir Cleb, sa cake.
Ayaw hagyog to nga, day.
Ay, sus, ginuha ko. Uy. Mura po na siya kadlok ko.
Ay, paning, di pa ta bitinon.
Oh, may pa na kay kinudanay yung cake.
Kikik.
Pero,
Hala, mag-brilliant yun kay
Kahit mani.
kanang uban, bitinon man ta.
It's so kuan. It's so...
Crispy kining kuana, guys, no? Crispy kayo ning
Tigas?
It's so gahi. Oh my God.
kika. Crispy kayo.
Wow.
Tanawa.
Wow. Thank you.
You see? Oh.
Ipadala dyan ang Ma'am Flor ni Sir Cleb.
That goes in there.
Oh.
Wow.
Let's go to
Sibulan.
Sibulan. This for
Wow.
them. So another style.
Grabe.
So bye-bye.
I take home.
Take home. Take home to Sibulan.
Okay?
Wow.
See you tomorrow.
Bon.
Mutak sa si madam.
Take sa ako dong.
Thank you sa blessing, Sir Cleb, Ma'am Flor.
I have a little.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry kayo sa tanasakit.
Sharing is good.
Uh-oh.